హలో చిల్డ్రన్, ఈరోజు మనము వరల్డ్ మ్యాప్ గురించి చదువుకుందాం. సో మ్యాప్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ మ్యాప్? ఎ మ్యాప్ ఈజ్ ఎ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్ ఆన్ ఏ ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్. ద రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్ ఆన్ ఏ ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద మ్యాప్. So whereas the globe, it is a round in shape. So here the map is a flat, it is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. It is called the map. So here the earth is divided into here 70% is a water and 30% is a land. So 30% of land is divided into here continents. So there are total how many continents we have, children? 7 continents. Let us locate the continents. So look at children, the earth is consist of 30% is land and 70% is the water. So these are the land masses. What is the meaning of these continents? Land masses are called the very large land masses called the continents. So there are totally 7 continents we have. So we locate the continents. This is a Asia continent. Next this is a Europe continent. Next this is a Africa. Next Australia. Here North America, South America, Antarctica. Once again children, see Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica. So there are total 7 continents we have. Which is the largest continent in this? Asia. Asia is the largest continent. And look at here, this is our India. So India is located in which continent, children? Asia. So this is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. And which is the smallest continent? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. So we have studied about the continents. Next we locate the oceans. So oceans are nothing but the very large water bodies are called the oceans. So mainly we have 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. So Southern Ocean is also called the Antarctic Ocean. So here see Pacific and Pacific. Here 2 sides given. No, it is here the representation of the earth is on a flat. It is a surface. So that's why here appearing now Pacific Ocean here 2 times. If we join these 2 edges, it's look only 1. So there are 5 oceans. We'll repeat one more times. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. This is a Arctic Ocean. Next this is a Southern Ocean. And which is the largest ocean? Pacific is the largest ocean. And which is the smallest ocean, children? Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. And next if you observe the map, so there are some lines which are appearing now. కొన్ని లైన్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయి మనకి ఇక్కడ అడ్డుగా, కొన్ని నిలువుగా. ఓకే, some lines are vertically, some lines are horizontally. So these concept of lines are called the latitudes and longitudes. So here, so latitudes, here see, look at children here, this is a 0 degree latitude. So 0 degree latitude is called the equator. So equator is the largest among all the latitudes. So there are other lines which are parallel to the equator. So here, so the important latitudes are equator. So equator, here Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. So these are the important latitudes. Next, how many latitudes we have, children? Total we have 180 latitudes. Here the equator is in equator, it divides the earth 2 parts now we said. So in northern hemisphere total we have 90 latitudes, and again in southern hemisphere we have 90 latitudes. Total 180 latitudes are there. And next longitudes. So longitudes, the lines which are from north pole to south pole, which are vertically, are called the longitudes. So the main longitudes here, 0 degree longitude, this is a important, and one more is the 180 degree east and west longitude, which is exactly 0 ఈ longitude అనేది 0 డిగ్రీకి ఆపోజిట్గా ఉంటుంది, 180 degree east and west longitude. So there are two important longitudes, 0 degree ఇంకా 180 degree east and west longitude. So totalగా ఇక్కడ ఇది ఈస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్, ఇది వెస్టర్న్ హెమిస్ఫియర్, దిస్ longitude divides. So it is called here eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. So in eastern hemisphere we have 180 longitudes, in western hemisphere we have 180 longitudes. Total we have 360 longitudes. Okay children, thank you children.